Okay, here we are. So today is Wednesday, the 19th of January. So just have a look and see what reports are due out. We've got the UK jobless claims change at 9:30. That's a report of high importance. Again, this will have more of an impact on the pound dollar and the FTSE rather than the euro US dollar, which is what we are focused on. We are focused on the euro US dollar. But again, being a report from the UK, it could have an impact on the euro US dollar, but we'll see at 9:30. So we'll meet again at 9:20, just before the report comes out. And then we've got all these reports of low importance, which we can ignore. And at 1:30, we have the US housing stats report. It's a report of medium importance. But when you think about reports to do with the housing sector, it could sometimes have an impact on the market. So again, be wary at 1:30. But it's a report of medium importance, not high importance. But again, because it's to do with housing stats, it could have an impact on the market. So at 1:30, we'll be aware of that. And I think that's it for the day in terms of reports. Obviously, we're not interested in the New Zealand Consumer Price Index, unless you're obviously trading the New Zealand dollar. Okay, so the major one is at 9:30. Like I say, we'll meet at 9:20 just before that comes out. Okay, so we'll just go to our charts. We'll start with the 1-year daily chart. Okay, so we can see that market has been trending sideways, as we've established over the last couple of days. And we've established that's the high point of the trend, that candlestick there. And you can see the market is getting close to that. So hopefully if it breaks that, then it could then start to trend, but we'll see. And then the low part of the sideways trend is at that point. So from a swing trading point of view, you want to try and avoid trading within this sideways trend. So we'll probably avoid using this Fibonacci retracement, which is within the sideways trend. So from a swing trading point of view, we'll just wait and see if the market will form a resistance there. So we'll see if it gets there, we'll see if it holds and forms a resistance, then we can possibly buy. So we just have to wait and see. But at the moment, there are no clear swing trading opportunities. So let's go to our day trading. Okay, so from a day trading point of view, we can see that the market is trending. It's been trending since midnight. Oh yeah, okay. So you can see the market is clearly uptrending. So you could have placed a buy order there like I did this morning. Let me just switch that on. Okay, so you can see I already have a buy order that was taken there with a 20-point stop loss. So again, if I lose out on this trade, I will just have to wait till 9:20 before I place my second trade. So that's the plan. So I went ahead, placed a buy order just above the first resistance. The market took the other 20-point stop loss. And if I get taken out and I lose 20 points, that's fine. That's still part of my plan, but the key is I'll just stop trading till 9:20. So if you've placed a buy order there too, and you're going to lose 20 points, remember not to trade again till we meet just before the report comes out. If you have not placed a buy order this morning, and you have not placed a trade this morning, and then that's fine. You can still go ahead and place a buy order just above the first resistance if you have not yet placed a buy order this morning. So remember that the plan is to place only one live trade prior to the report of high importance coming out. So remember that's the plan, is that you place only one live trade prior to the report of high importance coming out. So if you lose out on that live trade, you stop trading till after the report of high importance. So remember that. So this is an example. Again, you can see I've placed a trade, risk 20 points. If I get taken out and I lose 20 points, that's fine. But the key is to stop trading till 9:30. If you have not yet placed a trade this morning, and you're not in a live trade now, like I am in this live trade, yes, then you can now go ahead and place a pending buy order just above the first resistance and a pending sell order just below the pivot point. Any questions on that? Okay, so like I say, you've all received a webinar invitation for 9:20. So we're going to meet again at 9:20, 10 minutes before the report comes out. So that was sent out this morning. So you should all have, when the webinar is over, you should check your emails and you should have the webinar invitations. Okay, so we'll see what happens. So as always, plan your trades, trade your plan, stick to your trading plan. You know, I don't think twice before executing my trading plan. And again, it's trying to combat those emotions of greed and fear in the market. So in terms of fear, I'm not worried about losing 20 points. It's part of my plan to attempt one live trade before the report comes out. I'm aware I could lose out on that trade, so it doesn't bother me. I'll keep taking my trades every day and sticking to my plan. Greed, in the sense that if I lose out on this trade, I will stop trading till 9:30. So even if I lose out on this trade and the market takes off before 9:30, then that's fine. I miss it. So it's always the question of sticking to your trading plan. Okay. Any questions before we call it a day? Well, not call it a day yet. We'll meet again in a couple of hours. Okay, brilliant. So if there are no questions, I'll just unmute you all out. Like I said, we'll meet again at 9:20. So make sure you've got the invitations, and if you haven't received them by the time you check your emails, just send me another email. All right, so have a nice morning, everyone.